Now, you've probably noticed if you've been on the Pocket Web Store that there are a range of devices which are all of different colors. They do the same things, but they've got red and orange and gray and yellow. And you might be thinking, well, the reason for that is so that you can identify each color channel. Wrong. That's actually not why. They're actually there just so you can choose your favorite color. I want to show you a much cleverer way for you to identify which channel is which when you're using Pocket Pros for multi-channel oscilloscope measurements. Now, if you're familiar with a conventional oscilloscope, you'll know that they have fixed color channels and fixed color waveforms. And the reason why they have that is so that you can know which probe is connected to which waveform so you don't get confused. Makes sense, doesn't it? You usually put these little plastic clips on the end of your oscilloscope leads so that you can identify which is the red or the yellow channel. But with the Pocket Pro, it's a lot more versatile. What you actually can do is change the color by programming or customizing the color of your LED indicator. Now, when you go into your Pocket Pro setup, what you do is this. You go in here and you can choose a channel and you can choose any color you like from your color wheel. If I change this to blue, the LED will flash blue. It'll tie up with the blue waveform. If I move it to red, the red will flash red and it will be associated with the red waveform. So you can choose any color of the rainbow that you like. And what this means is, even if you have 4 pros which are of exactly the same plastic type and the same color combination, you can identify them by setting different colors on different probes to your heart's content. I'm going to show you here how we can capture some waveforms. We've got 2 probes set up, and as we go back into the oscilloscope mode, we can see that we're capturing from this signal generator, which is generating a waveform. And here we have 2 waveforms. If I just move the red one apart from the blue, you can see them there. Now what you'll notice on here is that the red one is flashing red and the blue one is flashing blue. The great thing is that when you do a single acquisition, you can tell which channel became active by the flash, not only by the fact of the color. So that really draws your attention so you don't make a mistake and think you're measuring something that you're not. Now, this is a really innovative feature. It's something different on the Pocket Pro, and it's just a little thing that just helps you along your day, just not to get confused and to make sure you know which waveform is which. I hope you find that useful, and I'll be back with some more tips about the Pocket Pro soon.